Hello guys, that's me, that's Alex. So today is the next part of our project creation. We already have discussed with you introduction to our project, what is it. We already discussed the plan, what we are going to create, and we are going to go according to the first step of that plan. So it's like building product backlog for our project. It's list of high-level functional features and list of non-functional features. So that's it. Let's start with that, guys. So our product backlog. Product backlog. Let's ask Wikipedia. What is that? Let's ask Wiki. So according to the wiki, the project backlog is like ordered list of product requirements according to which team creates a product. It's easy, yes, I agree with you. And that product list of features consists of two parts, like functional features and non-functional features, non-functional requirements. Functional features, it's what we want to get as a result in functional meaning of that. So it's about, we are going to the Twitter site and we can see their tweets. We can see here some following, so we can go to the followings and check the people who we are following. That's functional feature, for example. And what is non-functional features? It's interesting question. Yes, agree. Uh, any engineering system must have some non-functional requirements. It's more like technical stuff. It's architecture questions. It's questions of fault tolerance, of load which system should be able to work under. For example, if we are building real-life social network, we can assume that we will have a lot of users, so we should have like high load. So it's just like interesting words. And again, according to the wiki, what is non-functional requirements? It's what I said, and there are few examples. It's like adaptability, backup, certification, data integrity, data retention, durability, extensibility, fault tolerance, network topology, open source, quality, platform performance, reliability, readability, reusability, scalability, security, supportability, testability, and that's it. So a lot of different words, and we will choose what we want to introduce to our system. So, so let's go to our product backlog and let's create it together with you. So we have like short overview of what's product backlog, and that it contains of two main parts, functional features and non-functional. I created some stuff for backlog document using Google Tables service. Let's go to that by link. It will be available in the article. Project tracking. It uses simple template from Google Tables for creating such kind of like project backlogs and projects tracking. So what do we have here? It's simple table with some columns and cells. I just started working on it. So here is like short description, project title, project manager, developers. So it's everything you need to know, yes. And here is name of our project, project description, basic idea, what do we want to achieve by our project, what unique features do we have. I have added some my thoughts, for example, user groups, user rankings, tweet can be any kind of media, text, image, video, any kind. And I started from functional requirements. So let's create for non-functional requirements. We just like stop creating. We will back that soon. Okay, not missing. So first part, high-level functionality, functional requirements. I listed here what I see, what should be implemented. Let's briefly go through it. It's user or account management. It's only like high level. We will next iteration dive deeper. It's registration for user. Of course we need that. It's login logout for users. User search, users relation, users relations management, followers. So it's like follow, unfollow, see my followers. We'll debug that soon. Next one is recommended users. It's high level. It's when you like haven't followers or you're not following someone, and the system should recommend from what you can start, who can be interesting for you. Next one is like users, rating of users. It's one of our unique features that I listed before. Users direct messages. It's like messages in any social network or in any kind of messenger. So the next one is tweet management. Tweet is our like main entity around which we will build the whole system. Tweet is our like core. We have two parts. We can see it right now, two domains. It's users and it's tweets. So we will need to like bring them together somehow in microservices first. So tweet management, tweet feed. We want, like in Twitter, each user has its own feed built in for that user. I do not know will we go in such way or will we simplify. We will think about it. No, it's not my feed. Where is feed? Okay, let's remove back from the URL. Twitter, yes. Some book from O'Reilly, IntelliJ IDEA updates, Net Health, etc. So it's called feed. In Instagram you can see feed, in Facebook, everywhere. What is next? Guys? Next one is tweet hashtags. So we can add hashtags to tweets. We can have search by the text one, but let's be back there. Tweet likes. We want to like tweets of another users, our tweets. Tweet top sorting according to the likes or something, or according to comments. We will think about that. Tweet comments. We want to be able to comment some tweets. Mentions in tweet comments. It's like in any messenger you can like mention some user and he will be notified about that. Sharing the tweet to selected groups. So we would need to create some kind of groups. Let's think about it a bit later. Notification center. It's like everything what happens from our last visit to the system. We want to, first of all, we want to get notified about something, and second, we want to see what we missed since our last visit. Next one is integration with other social media platforms for sharing tweets. Okay, next one is network statistics, daily, week, etc. Probably we want like to get some statistic for the whole its functional feature because I wanted to add it to some page of our web application for any user to be able to see how many tweets were like created on daily basis or on week basis, etc. Privacy settings, it's for whom you are available, like in Instagram and Facebook you can hide your profile and you will be able to be followed only after you accept that. So let's think about it. Events, it's some kind of events. Deploying to cloud, it's non-functional, I think. Let's move it. No. Let's move it. It will be our first non-functional requirement. So it's functional requirement. I added briefly priorities for them, so let's check them. What do we have about priorities? I added like high priorities that should be done as soon as possible. Medium priority, what is good to have but not right now. Low priority is what is what could be nice to have, and lowest what possibly could be nice to have. So let's go with that. User account management, high priority. Registration, high priority. Login, logout, high priority. Recommended users, low. Okay, no. Tweet management, high priority. Tweet feed, high priority. And that's it. That's everything is high priority, I think. So not so much. Let's like move them together. Let's move them together. You can create your own table or copy mine or use mine. I will share it by link with you. So high priority. Do we miss something? No. We have where count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 high priority epics. Let's say it so. Medium. That's like guesses them together. Medium. Okay, and let's lowest. Medium is user search to the users relations management followers. It's interesting idea. How will we build feed without users relation? Okay, we will build in first feed. We will omit such relations, but we can take in mind, keep it in mind that probably we should individualize feed for each user. Next one is tweet hashtags. We can go without it from start, I agree. Tweet likes and sharing tweet to selected groups. Let's move it to low. Not sure it's so high. For that, probably some users hierarchy should be created. Let's create some task. Users from put it low priority. Some kind like users by interests or something like it, or friends can create some group. We will think about it on decomposing interaction. So the next one, recommended users with low priority, like users rating users low priority, users direct messages low, tweet top sorting low, tweet comments low, mentions tweets comments low, notification center low, network statistic low, and privacy settings low. Integration with other social networks lowest, events lowest. Okay, of course we can say why do we have so much items with low priority and so less with high priority. That's because we like high priority is chosen for development from the start. We will start from that and then step by step move to the next task. And if we will have like good attitude to our project, and we will, and a lot of time, or not a lot, we will move forward and resolve all the tasks. But we'll start from high, then move to medium, then to low, and to lowest. It's about functional requirements, yes. For now, we need to gather non-functional requirements. We already created. It's really necessary because we can't go with that. We can like implement the features, but do not think about technical stuff and what's the sense of it. We are going to learn some new things, so we can like list them here in non-functional list and go with that. So let's go with it right now, guys. I'll prepare the table for it. Okay, I think it's enough. Deploy to the cloud, it's the high priority. We should select the cloud, but it will be part of deploying to the cloud. And what do we have here? We listed CI/CD tool comparing selecting one configure of CI to deployment to the cloud. Yes, so we can combine them, of course. No, deploy to the cloud by hands. Okay, by hands. It's like first interaction, and second is configure CI/CD pipeline for deploying our application by single button. So that's it, I think. Let's improve view of our table. Okay, and it's also fancy. So, what do we want to get, I guess? I think we want to get fault tolerance. Let's go to non-functional requirements. Fault tolerance, it means in the scope, at least they will have like some part of it. It means if some piece of the system fails, it's broken. For example, likes not working, all other system is working fine, and we have operation system monitoring, measurement and management, and we will be notified about that at first, not by like our clients, by some alert system, and we will get notifications that, like, hey guy, it's not working, check it please, and we'll be able to find resolve issue. So fault tolerance is what I want to bring that to the project. Let's check the list. What is here? Availability, backup, availability. Let's see what is that availability. Availability has the following meanings. The degree to which a system, subsystem, or equipment is in a specific operational and commutable state at the start of mission when the mission is called for a non-random time. Simply put, available is a proportional time system in a function condition. This is often described as mission capable. Okay, it means that we, by the way, there is no like 100% available SaaS platforms like different databases in the cloud, etc. They guarantee only 99.9999 depending on the quality of the system, because everything could happen from the like shutdown of electricity, and so 100% of availability is really hard to get. Yes, it's what about rock here, 99. But okay, let's omit that for now. Let's go move forward. Backup capacity, compliance configuration management. Configuration management. It's interesting. I know there is quite cool pattern, and in Spring Cloud ecosystem it's implemented for like remote configuration management through the Git for our microservices. Let's check it. Configuration management is a systems engineering process for the establishing and maintaining consistency of a product's performance, functional and physical attributes with its requirements, design. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's omit it for now. Let's add what I want here. I want to get it's probably part of full torrents, but let's list it here separate. I want to get distributed login. I want our logs to be collected to some single place where we can check them instead of going to each instance of Docker container or checking the logs from multiple services. So distributed login first. Second, I want to get trace ID to login from transactions. It means that when user calls our backend on the gateway level, on the level when request of user interacts with our system, we add there some technical information to the request, to HTTP request, some header or something like that with age, with ID, and then during moving through the multiple microservices, we will be able to find where that operation was and what happened with it, what timing, so it's very useful. Let's introduce that item. Need to be there. Trace ID. So we use that. Non-functional. So technology, stack of technologies, we high level we decided to use at least at first Scala with most popular web framework and portable database. As we are going to use some user relations and recommendations, I want to try graph NoSQL graph database. I want to introduce it there. Let's check how will we work with that in Scala world. What's small guys? I want our microservices to be able to work locally, so in you like mouse clicks or with Docker Compose to be able to run all the necessary infrastructure services like Kafka or RabbitMQ, like our NoSQL graph database. Because we'll add some cache for that. So local run environment. Probably it will be Docker Compose for that, but we will check. It's the most convenient way. And if we are talking about microservices, we want to use some kind of service discovery. So it also should be able to start it from that Docker Compose. Okay, but let's move forward and go to that next one. So guys, what's next? Next one, non-functional. Non-functional. Aha. Okay, I want to get auto documenting of REST microservices. as we're going to implement mostly REST services, we want to our endpoints to be documented, and we do not want to write it by our hands, so we will use some automation tool. I think it will be Swagger generation, and we can even configure it for having separate UI with that endpoints for testing them instead of using Postman. So that's listed here, and we'll be back there soon. Okay, let's go step by step. Data integrity, retention, deployment. Maintainability. Okay, monitoring. It's of course can be part of fault tolerance. So let's move it here. Monitoring of microservices. Some health dashboard. Close that. Fault tolerance. Yes, okay, monitoring. Yeah. Integrity. Security. Of course, we want our system to be secure. For that, we will list it here. Security. We will be using OAuth to framework like OAuth to security type for securing our application. We'll discuss it later, but let's list it here. Stability, testability. Okay, testability. What about tests? I think it will be very useful to try to write some tests with Scala, some end-to-end tests, so at least end-to-end tests for microservices. Black boxing tests. And we want to configure it to be able to run with CI. Run with CI. Black box means that Zetas don't know anything about our system, they just call it like some external system and test some logic. So that's it. Shroud for transparency, usability design. Okay, so that's it, I think. For now, let's priority it. Let's make it so high. Documenting. No, everything else is high. Okay, let's leave it. So guys, if we made this video really huge work with creating our something wrong with it. Yeah, with creating our backlog. Let's be in the same side. Non-functional requirements. So yes. Yes, that's it. So we have backlog. We know what to do, what to work on. Let's get back to that in next session. So guys, Again, it was very long product backlog creation. We did it. Congratulate us. We created that. And what's next? Yes, we made first step in our project. It's amazing. Next, we will decompose high-level features with top priority to tasks and subtasks. So, guys, for now that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.